Welcome guys, my name is Bill Kirpit. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem in case that you have your channel and you want to apply to the YouTube partner program and you get this message that you have reused the content and you cannot apply to the YouTube partner program. So, and the main thing is like the thing is like they don't tell you actually which video you have the reused content, and which is very sometimes difficult to find out which videos you have to delete, which you have to edit, and so on. But I'm gonna highlight some few keys that you will see that if you apply to your video as well to your channel, you can be monetized. So this is one of my channels and I'm gonna do it. And if you want to follow up in another video, just let me know in the comment. And at the same time, I'm going to show you as well what you should do to avoid this problem in case that you have channels that you want to apply later on to the YouTube partner program. So first you need to read the YouTube policy. I know it's kind of rough sometimes, we don't read that much policies. We just apply it and we want, that's it. So the thing that they will gonna check is your main theme, your most viewed videos, right? This is very, very crucial, and your newest videos, and also biggest proportion of watch time. Video metadata, which is not that much important because most of the people, they use it well. So what you need to do is go to your videos. Let's say I'm going to my videos, right? Go to your videos. This is the first thing, and then you will need to know which video do you think that you just upload to YouTube and really you don't have the right to upload to YouTube. Now you are saying, come on, I don't have any strike. Exactly, that's it. So this is way different. Strike, like you don't have any strike, you don't have any copyright problems in your channel and in your restriction, and this is way different because when they want to accept you to the YouTube partner program, they go way in depth in your channel. They don't just look like use the robots, and they go like a human being sometimes comes and see and check if your channel complies with the rules. So the thing is like, for instance, for me, most of the videos that I'm using right now came from TikTok and Instagram and so on. I just made a compilation, and so compilation worked so well a few years ago, but right now it's no longer working. So the thing that you have to do, let me open this page here, right? It's like examples. For instance, if you have the reused content, most of the time it's like because you are just uploading videos and you are not adding any value, let's say any comments, any voiceovers, anything like in your video. You're just trying, let's say I'm getting videos from 10 different channels and then I'm just kind of mix it up and then upload to YouTube. It doesn't work anymore. So what you have to do is basically put your voice, right? Your own voice. Do not use text to speech because it doesn't work anymore. It used to work time back on days, but right now it's not working anymore. Okay guys, so here's the thing. Most of you guys, basically most of the videos that you're using, I can tell, or maybe I'm just supposing, I don't know, came from TikTok, Instagram, and so on. If you see that in your channel you have many videos that came from them and you didn't add any value, you just need to delete all the videos. Okay, let's say I'm gonna delete all this video action and then delete all the videos. I know you're gonna lose your watch time, but that's the only way. What you can do, delete and then re-edit the videos that you have on your computer. Put there your own voice. Do not put text to speech. Remember that. And the second thing, basically, okay, do that, and then you're gonna apply again to the YouTube program. You will see better results. They're gonna accept you. Remember, check also your YouTube cover, your YouTube, let's say, image, profile image change. If you see that it really doesn't compel that much, and you will see that if you do that, you have a better success to having to be accepted to the YouTube partner program. So guys, this is one of the things that you need to apply, and I highlight here some few keys that you also want to take into consideration so that you can be accepted to YouTube. Just to remember things to avoid in case that you want to apply to the YouTube partner program. Reuse the content without any value. Videos from TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Example, let's say compilation videos, right? You take videos from 10 different channels and then you want to create your own video based on that. Even if you say, okay, I'm gonna just add 10 or 7 seconds for each video, which is like you don't get any copyright strike, but it's not enough. They will reject you. Okay, you need to add a voice over. If you don't like to talk, call your girlfriend, call anybody, I don't know, use somebody, and then you will be good to go to apply for that. Now the other one is like videos with nudity, right? Videos with those girls, like on Instagram with bikinis and stuff like that. They will not accept you to the YouTube partner program. And the other thing that I want you to take into consideration also is like images that you don't know the search, you don't know, you have no clue if they are subjected to the copyright. Okay, let's say images that I took from Google's and then I compile and make them videos on YouTube. Sometimes those images, people may complain, may attribute some strike on them, which is not something good for you because you want to apply to the YouTube partner program. So this is very important. The thing is like with, let's say you may be asking what happened if I took video from TikTok, why they have this problem. The thing is like sometimes people who are in TikTok, they also have their own YouTube channel. They take their videos from TikTok and then they upload to YouTube. The first person to apply this video, to upload this video to YouTube, is the person YouTube see as the person who has the right, of the content. And if the second person comes along and upload 100% or maybe 90% of the same video, or let's say the same clip, even if the clip is inside of different videos, different on the same video of yours, but 100% or 90%, they will not accept you. So take this into consideration. I just want to make you to know this, guys. So and yeah, that's it. And comment below what you think about it, what you're gonna do with your channel, and if you will have to delete all your videos and so on. And I see you on the next video. Subscribe, hit the bell, and thanks. I see you.